It's so steep. Oh my god. Jenny had her 170-kilometer monstrous win yesterday at the UTMB Thailand. Absolutely incredible performance by Jenny. And today I'm running that Terrace 20, which is 24 kilometers. It's beautiful out right now. The moon's out, the stars are out. The race starts at 6, so the sun should just be cresting up over the hill. I think we'll get an hour, or so of like cool running, and then the sun will be up, and it's probably gonna get pretty hot at that point. Okay, slow start. We're getting there. It's good. Toe to toe. This makes it easy. You don't need any flags, just follow the people. Okay, so far we're on a flat road. Just kind of cruising through the crowds here. Trying to pass people when we can. It's not too bad. But I figure there's gonna be a lot of climbing, a lot of hiking. So let's try and make up what time we can on the flat road. All right, first hill, let's go. Just hit 2K, going up the road. Basically past all the crowds of people and the little bottlenecks on the way out. There's still obviously lots of people in front of me, lots behind. But now there's room to move around. It's not a little 2-lane bridge where you're shoulder to shoulder. Sun is coming. So we just finished a good little climb. Oh, 3.6K. Went up kind of a bike path through the mountains, past all these cool greenhouses and tents. Now we're on a little descent, running down the main road. At 4.3K in, we are looking to be starting to climb into the trails now. Okay, we're in the jungle. It's time. Okay, 19K to go. Oh, I was holding off on running that last little trail part because I figured it was just going to be straight, and it is straight uphill. So just went from a 450 kilometer to a 1610 kilometer. Oh, up that hill. That gives you some indication of how that climb went. Sitting at 5.7K. It's in a pretty steady, consistent, straight up climb. All right, we have emerged out of the darkness, into the fields. Woo! Speedsters here. Oh man, it's beautiful out here. Look at this. Oh, the first taste of sun. Oh. Oh, fuck. And down we go. Man, that is insane. Okay, the views are absolutely incredible here. I'm gonna try not to bore you with race running video footage, GoPro footage of the course, but you really, I don't know, appreciate what you can out of a GoPro and this view. So many dogs around here. So tame. Okay, we got quite a climb coming here. 10.3K at an hour. The first half went pretty fast. The climbs were punchy, but the runnable stuff is phenomenal. All right. Quick note on following flags. There's a lot of people here. I 100% have been complacent until this very moment. This makes it easy. You don't need any flags, just follow the people. Basically just following people because there's so many people. But we did just round a corner and there was this two little tight roads that kind of one went left, one went right. Super close. Obviously you look like you're going on the up one. A couple guys started running up it, so I was following them. Then I stopped to take a pee and looked to my right and saw someone around the corner in the distance. I was like, oh, there's a flag over there. So we were able to turn around and go back. But yeah, I almost just went up the wrong trail. So look for your own flag. That corner right there is where we started going up instead of around the corner. Morning. Back down into the trail. And I'm sure we'll hit an aid station soon. Oh. 13K. Oh, let's get some water. All right, I gotta fix this fucking bottle. Okay, big descent. Oh, looks like back down into the fields. This is so cool. So cool. Look at this place.
Beautiful.
So beautiful.
Good view. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Where you come from?
Oh yeah.
Where you come from?
Vancouver, Canada.
Oh yeah. Very good. Oh, good.
Woohoo! Now it's time to descend into the rice fields. Whoa, it's so skinny. River crossing. Woo! All right. I guess we're getting wet feet. On the rocks. And we are out. Thank you. Oh, that's some pretty cold water. Definitely refreshing. Oh, another river flag race. Oh. So fun going through the villages and all people on the side cheered for you. Woo, thank you. Oh, look at this puppy. This trail's a great mix of road, trail, flat, straight uphill climbs. Oh man, intense. Good job. We got 20K on the watch. Whoa. The climb's nice because they're to a degree where you're not gonna run it. I mean, you could try, but it's kind of just a hike and you're able to accept it. It's not one of those, could be a hike, should probably run. Whoa, this gets a little treacherous down here. Oh, okay, oh, along the route. Sure. Thank you. Good job. Oh. Okay. Whoa. Whoa, the legs are. Whoa. Give it up here. Oh, back to the rice field. Nice steep uphill here. Oh, just as I look down to see you're at 21, I'm thinking, oh yeah, it's nice and flat, we'll just cruise. Right turn, hill climb. Oh. Oh, yeah. It's so steep. It's so steep. Oh my God. It just goes straight. It's just straight to the sky. Ah, we got like, I don't know, 2-3K left. We've done rice, banana plantation. Now we're in the strawberry fields. Apparently this time of year strawberries are in season. What is it, mid-December? Oh, wow. So if you ever got a craving for some strawberries in December, you know where to find them in Thailand. After our first few days in Thailand, when we were running, it was midday, but I thought for sure the humidity was just gonna kill me. Starting at 6 a.m. Most of this race has been in the trees and the sun isn't high enough to get down onto the trails, even onto some of the open spaces. I'm definitely sweating, but I'm not dripping. And whatever sweat I have seems to be drying off pretty quick. Oh, and lots of shade. So if you're concerned about the heat, I mean, it depends on how long you're out here for, but you can definitely beat the heat for the first few hours at least. Oh yes, oh yes. Got about a kilometer left, I can hear the finish line. Oh, this is the part me and Jenny were running on our shakeout when we first got here. It's nice to see a familiar spot and know how far you kind of have to the finish line. Super exciting. Oh, beautiful course, beautiful people. Oh my God, amazing. Thank you. Woo! Thank you. Woo! What's up, brother? Ah. Woo! Oh yeah, buddy! Woo! Woo! That was sick. So cool. Oh, thank you. So sick.
Yeah?
The Terrace 20 was awesome. So good. So much fun. Oh, now it's time to go vacation in Thailand.